So welcome to the third video for creating your Weebly website with your group for your linked learning project. As you can see, I've done some pretty cool stuff so far already. You got your website set up, you got your URL figured out, you got your pages put in here as well. One of the other things that you should definitely do before anything else is change your title. So for instance, mine might be biomagnification. Beautiful. Okay, so in addition to that, we're going to think about our home page. So a home page should really catch your reader. Think about it as like a hook, just like would be in your essay, but it's a visual hook. You're trying to hook your reader into wanting to click through the rest of your website. Okay, so your front page, your home page is really important for that. So one way you can do that is you can add headlines. So this one's already in my specific layout that I picked. So you can add something like biomagnification impacts us all, right? You want to catch your reader somehow. Maybe you can put in one of your questions. Maybe you can put your answer to your question down here. You can change this maybe to how does biomagnification, spelled that wrong, impact you? Right, and then you can put your answer, like I said, down here in the second one, and you can create a button that actually just links back to one of your other pages. In addition, your front page is really good if you put in images, so you can drag over images and put them there, and you want to be pulling images from the image search that you and your partners pulled off of online, so you have the URL references, so you're not plagiarizing, right? You could also do things like galleries, so instead of image, you could put galleries in there. Oh, now you have multiple. So you can get rid of anything by clicking the X corner over here. Boom, no more images. I'm going to make a bunch of images instead, so you can use that instead. Delete. So now we just have the gallery, so that would be kind of cool. You could do a slideshow. Kind of cool, you have a bunch of things you can pick from. Just a regular slideshow, you could put thumbnails on the bottom, numbers on the bottom, whatever you like. Okay, so there's a bunch of different options as far as like putting images on your front screen. You could also do one called, if you scroll down on this side, a survey. Okay, this is one that Ms. JJ recommended. One of her favorite websites from last year actually had a survey on their front page. So you can just edit it. So, what do you know about biomagnification? So just like how when you're in class with me, I ask you some questions to kind of get you to understand what you know as your background knowledge, you can ask people questions about what they know about your topic in background information, okay? So what is biomagnification, right? And then you can create your option items. So you could like go ahead and change them, like death of animals, or toxins that increase through the food chain. Okay, so on and so forth. You get the idea. So you just go on and continue editing it and making your actual survey something that relates to what you're doing. All right, so you can save, and then you can actually see what people answer later on when you go back to look at your actual homepage site. So you can find the answers to your survey and you can use them in some way for your research maybe. And also you want to change this background image, right? That's your front page. You want it to make something related to your topic. So the way I would recommend is actually just hitting upload image, and then you're going to take one of those images that you worked so hard to find on the internet and you already have the URL reference to, so you're not plagiarizing. Okay, so I'd actually just go ahead and you can upload from your computer just like you did for your research article. Okay, so you don't want to be stealing anything. So that's how you would make your home page amazing and hook your reader into actually reading the rest of your topic. So I'll see you in the next video.